Okay. What about your parents went yesterday to branch? Sringa, so
Sir, today will come, sir.
Me,
Today
me too,
will
sir.
I
Today
have done,
going,
sir.
sir.
Sir, me too.
Today
Yesterday,
I
sir.
Ramavatar
Good
is
morning.
over. Sir,
yesterday I done, sir.
Ramavatar is over. Sai Rohit also finished. Sai Rohit, the parents also went.
Today I
Sir,
will
you
go,
are
sir.
in Jersala, sir.
I am at home only.
Sir, I am on the way, sir.
Every
Sir, when
information will go to sir.
sir.
So I
I'm
am
also going today, sir. I'm also
I'm
going.
going to do a digital signature. This times they are asking digital signature of the principal. So I'm going to central office to Hyderabad branch. Where is Tanush? Where are you?
Sir, Prithvi is on the way, sir.
And
Resha Madam, sir, good morning.
where are you? Have you raised your hand?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే అలానే ఉంచు. నువ్వు చెయ్యొత్తున్నావు, ఇంతలో ఎవరో యాడ్ అవుతుంటారు, పనికి అంత కనపడతారు. చెయ్యి ఉంచు అలానే. ఓకే. I did. How many joined? 19.
Along with you, 21, sir. 22, sir. Along with you. Without you.
So today we are going to learn about name of alkyl group. Name of alkyl group. Its formula. Next, alkanes. Alkanes. Its formula. Alkenes. It's a formula. Keep heading, all of you.
Sir,
First
like
one
this
is
box we need to make, sir.
actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 boxes required. 8 columns. And methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl. You write 1, 2, 3, 6. You write methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl. The formula of the methyl is CH2. The formula of the ethyl is C2H4. Propyl is C3H6. Butyl is C4H8. Pentyl is C5H10. And hexyl is C6H12. So, methyl group, its formula is CH3, not CH2. Correction. Methyl is CH3. Ethyl is CH5, H7, H9, H11, H13, CH3.
Propyl Mitha.
What happened? Somebody.
Sir, what is last one, sir? Name of alkaline.
First hexyl. Hexyl beta.
Hexyl.
HEXYL. Hexyl.
Must tell spelling, sir, that one.
Sir, HEXANE. HEXANE.
HEXYL. HEXYL.
Sir, hexane, sir.
Pentyl తర్వాత నాన్న HEXYL. Hexyl.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Can I start now? Alkanes. All of you concentrate. Everybody. Jawar, okay. Last one is hexyl. HEXYL. Alkanes general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Alkene general formula is CnH2n. Alkene general formula is CnH2n. Now, first we will write Ramadhan. I am going to explain you
Yes,
first
sir, okay.
alkane.
Okay.
I'm going to explain you first alkanes. Alkanes means here if you see methyl is a group, it is. Alkyl group is methyl. Alkane means you are supposed to write METHANE, methane. And coming to ethyl, it should be written as ethane, ETHANE, ethane. Next propyl, Akshay is reading it is propane, PRO.
Propane, sir. Sir,
Next one is
butane. Butane.
Butane.
Last
Sir,
Pentane.
Pentane.
Next one is
And
pentane.
Hexane,
hexane,
sir.
sir.
Pentane and hexane.
Pentane కానీ పెంటీన్ రాయొద్దు మళ్ళీ అది షాంపూ అవుతుంది పెంటేన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ hexane.
Hexane.
Now what is the formula I said to you for alkane CnH2n plus 2? So if you see here in methyl group, how many carbon atoms are there, Sriranga?
1, sir.
One.
Sir,
So
1.
you need to substitute C1H21 plus 2. Am I right? Then its formula becomes C. Tell me, its formula becomes, first we will write alkanes only because space is not
Sir,
sufficient. Wait a minute.
C1H4, sir.
Wait.
CH4.
No need of writing. What is that? C1. Jawar. उसमें 1 लिखी तभी it is 1 only because carbon 1 atom only. Okay.
Yes.
No need of representing one number. One number denotes, if we won't write any one number, it is 1 only. Carbon atom will be 1 only. And next, ethyl. So ethane.
Sir,
So tell me, Kritik Teja, C2. Number of carbon atoms.
C2H6.
Two, sir.
C2.
C2H6.
C2H6.
So C2H6. Am I right? It is clear.
Sir, propane C3H8.
Wait. Gordon Datta. How many carbon atoms in
3,
propyl?
sir, 3.
3 are there. So C3 in place of H you substitute 3. So then it becomes C3H8. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next Tarun. Butyl.
Sir,
Butyl. How many?
four carbon, sir.
4 carbon atoms are there. So C4 H2 into 4 plus 2. That is equal to C4
Yes, sir.
H10.
3, 4, H10.
Next,
Yes,
Mayank
sir.
Agarwal.
Clear.
Mayank Agarwal. How many carbon atoms are there in pentyl? Mayank Agarwal, how many carbon atoms are there in pentyl? Okay, so apply,
But it
no
still
reply.
didn't connect it to audio, sir.
Next, Sairohit. How many carbon atoms are in pentyl? Sairohit. How many carbon
Sir,
atoms
5.
are in pentyl? 5. So in place of
5,
n,
sir.
you are supposed to 5. So C5 H2 into 5 plus 2. That is C5 H12. Am I right? Okay. Next question to Harshit Reddy. Okay, he did not join.
Sir, join, sir.
Okay, then tell me how many carbon atoms in hexyl? How
6,
many
sir.
Six carbon atoms.
carbon atoms are in 6? H2 into 6 plus 2. That is equal to C6 H14. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts to anybody?
Sir,
No doubt, sir.
sir, more than a hexane, another compounds will be there, sir.
హెప్టేన్ ఆక్టేన్ వరకు రాసుకోవచ్చు చిన్న మీ సిలబస్ కి హెక్సైల్ వరకు ఏడిస్తే చాలు.
Okay, sir.
If you learn till 6 hexyl, it is more than enough. Still you want to cry more, you can learn 7 and 8 also.
Okay, sir.
Tarun, ante kada?
Ante, sir. Ante.
So tomorrow is the last date, beta. You please inform to your parents so that it is your life and death, very important one. Go inform to your parents, sign. On or before Wednesday, you can complete. Today, Monday, tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, you will complete. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో క్లాసులు బంక్ కొడుతుంటారు కదా, ఇప్పుడు వెంకటేష్ ఉన్నాడు, వాడికి ఎక్కడ లేని ఉన్నాడా క్లాస్లో లేడా వెంకటేష్? ఆర్ యు అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ మిస్టర్ వెంకటేష్?
No, sir.
No, sir. Not
No,
available.
sir. Not
No, sir,
him.
he is not there.
Before class he came, sir.
In before class he came, sir.
Sir, he came.
ఆవులు ఉంటాయి కదా,
Physics class
దాని
came,
మీద
sir.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పి నాకు చెప్పింది అన్న.
Who is that? What is nuisance? Who is that?
Tallam, sir, tallam.
Shashank, sir, tallam.
Shashank, sir.
ఏం శశాంక్?
He's waiting room list, sir.
ఇంట్లో అందరు మాట్లాడతారు, మా ఇంట్లో కూడా మాట్లాడతారు. నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ కీప్ యువర్ ఫోన్ ఇన్ మ్యూట్. అందరికి వినిపిస్తున్నాడు ఆయన, వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే మాట్లాడేటట్టు.
వెయిటింగ్ రూమ్ లో పెట్టించారు.
అటు కాదురా, ప్రతి ఇంట్లో మాట్లాడతారుగా. అదేమన్నా కొత్త లేకపోతే ఏంటి?
Mute చేసుకోండి, sir.
So after finishing alkanes, I am going to explain you alkenes, and after finishing alkenes, then alkynes. Akshay Sranga, you have to by heart.
Okay, sir.
if you know this only better, if you know this one is enough. This which I drawn one more time. If you know this one, it is enough. Only you should remember how many carbon atoms are in methyl, ethyl, propyl, methyl, pentyl, hexyl. जावर जस्ट हमको याद रहना है कि ओनली कार्बन एटम्स कितने हैं, मिथाइल में कितने कार्बन एटम्स है, इथाइल में कितने कार्बन एटम्स है, प्रोपाइल में कितने कार्बन एटम्स है, ब्यूटाइल में कितने. If you know that number if you substitute in place of n, you will be writing the what formula of alkanes, formula of alkenes, formula of alkynes. Is it clear? For everyone I am telling, not only for Jhavar, for everyone I am saying, you should remember number of carbon atoms in the alkyl group. Methyl, 1 carbon atom. Methyl is made up of with 2 carbon atoms. Propyl is made up of with 3 carbon atoms. Butyl is made up of with 4 carbon atoms. Pentyl 5, hexyl 6, like this. Okay? Ramavtar, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Can I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Sir, now alkenes, sir.
What, Nana?
Now we are going to discuss alkenes, sir.
Alkenes, alkenes, only alkenes. Shivamani. 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 So the alkenes general formula is CnH2n. Alkenes, ALKENES, alkenes. Okay? Whose formula is CnH2n. Okay?
No question, sir.
So I am going to clear it off. So every compound should be written with what means ene. THENE, ene. THENE. PROPENA, BUTENA, butene, pentene, hexene, like this. Okay? Alkenes. Now its structure, its formula, we will learn its formula. We'll learn its formula. I had not written methane. Why? Anybody can say? Anyone can say? Because, okay, that also I'll explain you. Concentrate everybody. I'm clearing this part. The formula of the alkenes is Tarun. What is the formula of alkenes? I said
NH2n.
CnH2n. Okay. CnH2n. CnH2n. Now, first question to Kritik Tejas. How many carbon atoms are present in methyl?
One.
One, sir.
One. So, the formula for methane is CH2. So, METHE, methane is CH2. Next, ethane. Question to whom will ask? Prithvi Bhargav. Tell me ethane. Okay, he also did not join.
Sir, ethane 2, sir.
Okay, number of carbon atoms is 2, then C2, H2 into 2, my dear Bhargav.
H2 into 2,
then it is
H4.
H4. C2, H4 is the formula. Next, question to who is there? Participants. Mayank Agarwal, he is there or he left?
There, sir.
Okay, tell me Mayank Agarwal, how many carbon atoms are in propyl? How many carbon atoms? I did circle also. How many carbon atoms are in propyl?
Sir,
Okay, apply, no.
sir, can I,
Sir,
sir?
can I?
Tell me.
3, sir.
3 carbon.
3. 3.
Three
H2 into 3. That is C3, H6. Okay, clear?
Sir.
E3 H6. Next to who else is there here in the class? Saket Kumar Swami. Who is this Swami? Saket Kumar Swami. Saket Kumar Swami Garu. Is it audible, sir? Okay. వినిపించినట్లు
apply notice.
అంతే. Donish Vandan. For butyl you tell, I want butene.
Sir.
Butyl you tell. How many carbon atoms are in butyl?
Sir, butyl, sir.
Yes.
Okay, butyl or pentyl, sir?
I'm asking butyl only.
Sir, 4 carbon atoms, sir.
So C4 H2
H2 into
into
4 is equal to C4 H8.
Complete the answer, Donish Vandan sir.
Sir.
C4, 2 4s are 8.
C4
so C4
H8.
H8. Next, somebody raise your hand. Sai Kiran Reddy, somebody. Who is that? Hello. Tell me for pentyl, sir. How many carbon atoms are in pentyl?
Sir, 5 carbon atoms.
So you are supposed to substitute in the place of N5.
C5H2 into 5.
Sir, C5 H2 of 5
H10.
C of 5.
Okay, Karan
C5
sir,
H10.
you tell me for hexene.
Yes, sir. There are 6 carbon atoms, sir.
C6, H.
C6 H2 of 6. C6 H12.
Very good. Good,
Thank
Karan.
you, sir.
So I'm writing here one more time. C6 H2 into 6. That is C6 H12. Anyone is having doubt on this alkenes? Next we'll go for alkynes. Ramavtar, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Ramavtar. झावर समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what is the formula of alkyne, sir?
Cn H2n minus 2 beta.
-2, sir.
N minus 2. I'll write. Just let all everyone will complete. Then I will explain.
Cl H2L minus L.
Minus 2, minus 2. Cn H2n minus 2.
In alkane +2 and in alkane -2.
Alkynes is minus 2.
After alkyne, again what will come, sir?
After alkynes tarvata,
Sir.
after alkynes, Provençal will be. There is no concept. That is last. Only alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. That's it. Can I clear this alkenes and formula?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Mayank, sir. Good morning. Okay, I'm clearing this. Can I clear the screen? Can I give time? Anyone is writing?
Sir,
Those who are writing, they can raise the hand. Those who are copying still, they can raise hand. Okay, I'm clearing this part.
Sir, next month schools
Next, I'm
will
writing.
reopen, sir.
100%.
Next month only, sir.
November. Why? Still
Sir,
these
complete
many days you are staying at
hostel only,
home.
sir.
Not feeling bored?
Sir, full bore,
Hostel
sir.
ever
Will
ఉంటారు
come this month only. Why, sir?
ఏ స్కాలర్ నో కానీ రివిజన్ షెడ్యూల్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోద్ది కాబట్టి మీకు హాస్టల్
Sir,
all
mala
should after now
transportation, we should not travel, na, sir.
that is what better for all 10th class students will be staying in hostel everyone.
Sir, quarantine, sir. Quarantine.
Inside లో only quarantine outside
సార్ బుద్ధి భార్గవ్ సార్
all kinds. New building is there, no?
Sir.
H2n minus 2.
This year no enjoyment, sir. Only study.
You are staying at home, no, parents will say ఎందుకు అటు ఇటు తిరుగుతా పుస్తకం పట్టుకొని చదవకూడదా?
Yes, sir. Same to me.
అదే ఇప్పుడు
Same
హాస్టల్
to me daily.
స్వామినారాయణ కొంతసేపు గేమ్స్
Yes,
ఆడుకో
sir. Yes, sir. Sometime.
Sir, you are very boring, sir.
That is what. ఇంట్లో ఉంటే అటు ఫాదర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం పుస్తకం పట్టుకొని చదవకూడదా పనికి
సార్ ఉత్తా కూర్చున్నప్పుడు టైం పాస్ కి ఫోన్ తీసుకుంటే ఎప్పుడు ఫోన్ రాని తిడతారు సార్.
ఇది ఎందుకు ఈ తలకాయ నొప్పి?
Sir, they will say, 10th class, sir. Pass అవుతావా తెలుసా సార్.
కాదు మీరు క్యాంపస్ లో అంటే సంజయ్ సార్ స్టోరీ మొత్తం చెప్తాడు చరిత్ర అంతా. ఆ చరిత్రలన్నీ మీకు ఓకే. So first one is Kritik, METHENE. There is no compound methane, METHYNE. Why means Java, because the formula of the alkynes is CnH2n minus 2 beta. So C1H2 into 1 minus 2. Am I right? Then it becomes only
CH.
Ones are 2, 2 minus 2 will be 2. So therefore there is no 1H also. అక్కడ హెచ్ కూడా నీకు ఒకటి రాలేదు కదా, హెచ్ 0 వచ్చింది. సో అలాంటి కాంపౌండ్ లేదు. దెర్ ఇస్ నో కాంపౌండ్ లైక్ దాట్. మిస్టర్ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ నేమ్? పృథ్వీ భార్గవ్, డు యు అండర్స్టూడ్? దెర్ ఇస్ నో కాంపౌండ్ లైక్ మీథైన్. సో కాంపౌండ్స్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఈథైన్, ETHYNE, ethine. What is its formula? How many carbon atoms are present in ethine? 2 carbon atoms. So
C2H2 of 2 minus 2. C2H2.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Next coming
Propine.
PYNE, propine.
3 minus 2, C3H4.
2 3s are 6 minus 2. That is C3H. C3 how much? 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 2.
4.
Next Ramavtar, you tell me. Ramavtar Bangad, tell me about butyl. BUTYNE, butane. What is its formula, Ramavtar? Okay. Akshay Sriranga, you tell me.
The C4H2 of
C4H2
So 2 into 4 minus 2. That
into 4 minus 2. C4H6.
next. Thyroid, you tell me for pentyl.
C5H2 of.
Let me write first pentyl, PENTYNE, pentyl. So C5H2
of
5 minus 2. So
C5H.
Correct only, no? C5H8.
Yes, sir. C5H.
No, sir.
Last one is hexyl.
Sir, somebody.
Shower.
No, sir.
Tell me hexyl. Shower.
H2 of 6 minus 2 is equal to C4.
Hexane
C6.
hexane C6H2 into 6 minus 2. So hexane is C6H10.
Yes, sir.
C6H10. Okay. C6H10. Anyone is having doubt, they can raise hand. Anyone is having doubt? Yes,
Hi,
Sai
Rohit.
Rohit, tell me better. Yes, D Sai Rohit.
Sir, it is a C5 H2 of 5, no sir.
What is that?
-5
C5?
sir.
I did not understand what you are
C5
asking.
H2
Of 5 in place of n, you see the formula here, Cn H2n minus 2. In place of n, we are substituting the value
Sir,
of
he
5.
asked me why H2
Plus
should come now,
8.
sir. H8, how it is come? We did not know -2, sir.
Why is there 10 minus 2? What is he asking?
Sir, here -2 is there, no, sir. He didn't see 19, sir. -2.
Minus 2 did not
Okay,
see.
understood, sir. Understood, sir. Understood, sir. Now.
Take one soda glass, you take once. అన్ని కూడా -2నే because alkynes అన్నప్పుడు after multiplying the value of 2 with multiply with n, you are supposed to substitute -2. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 2 is 6. You can see h in everywhere in place of h -2. So C6 H10. ఇక్కడ రాయట్లేదే పనికి
సార్ దీనికి దానికి తేడా ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఏఎన్జి వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ వైఎన్జి ఉంది కదా సార్, అక్కడేమో ఏఎన్జి ఉంటది, అంతే కదా సార్.
ఫస్ట్ ఏమో ఏఎన్ఈ బెట, తర్వాత ఈఎన్ఈ, తర్వాత వైఎన్ఈ, ఇలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఏఎన్ఈ, ఈఎన్ఈ, వైఎన్ఈ, ఏఎన్ఈ, ఈఎన్ఈ, ఆల్ సఫిక్స్ ఓన్లీ, వైఎన్ఈ లైక్ దిస్. So for alkanes, general formula is CnH2n plus 2. For alkynes, yn is CnH2n minus 2. And in between is there, what is that alkene? CnH2n only. So clear, Ramavatar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, he left the. Okay, Harshit Reddy, do you have any doubts on this?
No doubt, sir. It is
No,
clear.
sir, no doubt, it's clear.
No
Very
doubt, sir.
good.
Clear.
All the three.
No doubt, sir. Very clear.
All the ones we learned today. Like alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. All the three are derived from what? Alkyl group only. All the three are derived from the alkyl group only. Name of alkyl group, formula, alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Tell me, Divyanshu sir. Jai Swaminarayan. Tell me now. 10th school, Gurukul classes ఉంటాయి కదా, 8th, 9th, 10th. హాలిడేసా మనకు అంటే ఏదో దేవుడు వరం ఇచ్చిన పూజారి వరం ఇవ్వడు అన్నట్టు మనకి ఇంకా డిక్లేర్ చేయలేదు. ఇచ్చారా మీకు?
Classes. So
ఎప్పటి వరకు?
members not came.
సరే సరే, తొందరగా జాయిన్ అయిపోయింది ఈరోజు క్లాస్కి.
Many members not came for today.
ఓకే అయితే వాటితో రాఘవతో మాట్లాడవచ్చు. ఓకే అనుకుంటే ఐ స్టార్ట్ ఎట్ 12 o'clock తీసుకుంటాం. Both of you discuss and get back to me. Okay, right. Can I clear better?
Today many members are not came to class, sir.
Why?
Don't know.
We have many.
Before classes.
It is only 24, sir.
24 only are there.
Sir, I think they are in good
Last
place.
class, really for last class, no one is attending most members.
So we'll keep next time. We'll change the schedule. Last time, sports, online sports. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So ఇంట్లోనే క్రికెట్ ఆడి స్కోర్ చెప్పాలి.
Sir.
అందరు ఫ్రీ ఫైర్ ఆడతారు సార్.
And cricket.
బుక్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఇలా తీయడము, లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ 0 వస్తే అవుట్, 6 వస్తే 6.
అంతే.
ఊరికే IPL చూసి అయిపోతుంది సార్.
సార్ ఫ్రీ ఫైర్ ఆడతాం సార్.
ఏదంటే పని చేద్దాం, డిస్ట్రక్షన్ గేమ్ అని చెప్పి ఇంట్లో వస్తువులు పగలు కొట్టడం అంతే.
పేరెంట్స్ మమ్మల్ని వాళ్ళకి కొడుతున్నారు.
అవును సార్.
ఆన్లైన్
ఎవరు ఎక్కువ కాబట్టి వాళ్ళే విన్నా.
సార్ ఇంట్లో ఆన్లైన్ కోర్స్ సార్ ఆన్లైన్ కోర్స్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇంట్లో
సార్ ఆన్లైన్ కోర్స్ లో అమౌంట్ పెట్టాను సార్.
శివమణి గారు వచ్చారా? అదే ఇంకా మాట్లాడలేదే అంటున్నా. శివమణి, టెల్ మీ శివమణి.
సార్ అమంగ్ అస్ సార్ డిటెక్టివ్ గేమ్ సార్, అది పెట్టాను సార్.
నువ్వు ఇంకా చెప్పలేదంటే అనుకుంటున్నా. వచ్చావు
సార్ అలా 10 మెంబర్స్ ఉంటారు సార్, అలాగే 2 ఇంపాస్టర్స్ ఉంటారు. ఇంపాస్టర్ అంటే మర్డరర్ లెక్క సార్. ఈ 8 క్రూమేట్స్ ఉంటారు సార్. ఈ 8 మెంబర్స్ ఇంపాస్టర్స్ ని పట్టుకొని
అంటే రోజు వాడు
అంటే నువ్వు రోజు సరే. So only last 3 minutes left. I'll revise. And today we learn about the alkyl groups and formulas. And again, I'm repeating the students who joined late, like Mayank Agarwal. I hope he left the session also. And alkyl group, first every student should remember the alkyl groups: methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl, and heptyl and octyl. So for your standard, till 6 is enough. Hexyl up to 6 is enough. Hexyl is the last. Methyl to hexyl. And my dear students, you should remember its formula. Methyl, how many carbon atoms are present in methyl? Only 1 carbon atom. And coming to ethyl, it is 2 carbon atom. Coming to ethyl, it is 3 carbon atom. Coming to butyl, 4, pentyl, 5, hexyl, 6. So the formula of the methyl is CH3. The formula of the ethyl is C2H5. The formula of the propyl is C3H7. Butyl C4H9. Pentyl C5H11. Hexyl C6H13. And my dear students, only you are supposed to remember the number of carbon atoms in methyl, ethyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl, like this. So next concept is alkanes. Alkanes means methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, like this. Every compound ends with ANE, and whose general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Therefore, ethane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, like this. So in place of N, you are supposed to substitute the value of carbon atoms. In methyl group lo any carbon atoms ఉన్నాయి? Methyl group lo carbon atoms 1. A 1 value substitute chesi, we'll be writing the formula of alkanes. In the same way, alkenes. In the same way, alkynes, like this. The general formula of alkenes is CnH2n. The general formula of alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. Okay. So this is the concept. మీరందరూ ఇది మళ్ళీ ఒక షీట్లో రాసి నాకు అందరు వాట్సాప్ చేయాలి. ఇన్ఫార్మ్ టు అదర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆల్సో. ఆల్ 64 members has to do this one. తరుణ్ అందరికి చెప్తున్నాను. రాసి you write in one big sheet, B4 B3 paper, write it, and it should be signed by your parent and do WhatsApp to me. Okay, clear?
Sir, in group or personal, sir?
Group la పెట్టేనా, మళ్ళీ పర్సనల్ ఎందుకు?
Okay, sir.
Keep in group only. What happened? What will happen? After checking, I'll delete everything. Okay? Jai Swaminarayan to all the students.
Jai Swaminarayan.
Sir, one.
Tell me, Nana, something else.
Sir, ask the main branch